Hi everyone, and welcome back to Trade Precision. We're getting set to make our first trade of the day today. You can see it's a little after 10 o'clock. We've got a short setting up in the crude oil market. Okay, and I don't know what quite happened. With my I lost data for a little bit there. I apologize about that, but just on crude I lost a little bit of data. It looks fine on gold and on the ES, the other markets we trade. But anyway, aside from that, just welcome. This is the Trade Precision, and there we got filled on the first one at 0970, and right away it's going against us. The start of my day. But no, we're filled on the first contract here. We're filled on the entry, and we clicked up as high as 75 so far on this one. So welcome everybody. This is Trade Precision. We have no indicators on the charts. We're looking for true support and true resistance on the charts. That's good. It's going in the right direction now. And we trade mostly the crude oil, the ES, and the gold markets. We've been in this trade a little while now, as you can see, and we're just barely profitable in it. Okay, we haven't hit anything yet, but it has moved, relatively quickly. That's, we're just on our second 5-minute bar, so we haven't been in the trade all that long. And there we go. We're one tick away. Story of my life. Let's see if we can get this filled. There, we're good. We're good. 10 points on the crude, and we'll move the stop. The way I do it for the room is I move the stop to one tick above the swing high or one tick below the swing low. And try to get that next profit target. That's the main reason for doing that. So, the Trade Precision Trading Room, like I said, we have no indicators on the charts, and we don't have some magic charts we're looking at behind your back or anything like that, or different time frames or anything like that. All the information is just right on this one chart here, and we're able to pick it up. We're able to pick up the true support and the true resistance. It's not that hard to learn, but to see it and to see it consistently, it takes some practice. But we've got traders that have had this system for some time, and they're doing very, very well with it. It gives you some great entries, and like I say in the room to traders, I let you guys manage your own trades the way you want. This is the way that I'm going to do it for the room. That it depends on what you're looking for. If you've been with us a while, you might be for capital appreciation, and you might have your stop still up at that 85 level, and hope that it's going to run down towards that swing low. That would be a nice trade. Or if not, then you're like some of, if you're, you could put your stop at break even, you could put your stop at plus one tick, you could put your stop at, like this. We locked in a profit. May not be that much there. We're stopped out. But what I was going to say is, you lock in a profit, it may not be the biggest profit, but it's locked in, and you go from there. So that's one trade down, one winner so far. See what we get later on today. We're setting up for a gold trade here, and this is going to be a long trade on the gold market. We've come down quite a ways, and this is a little different. We're going for 5 ticks on the first stop on this, so I might have to do something, but we're going for 5 and 10 on this one. We're 2 ticks away from being filled on this one here. Like I said, we'll go for 5 and 10. We've already had a successful trade on crude, and it's been a couple hours now, and we haven't had much opportunity to trade there. We just got filled. We're at 15:02:20. And I'm going to move this down to 5 ticks. I hope I didn't miss it already. And this one down to 10 ticks. I'm going to have to. I can do this on my platform. I can set it up where it automatically sets up. And I don't know why I didn't get that ahead of time. I should have. And let's get this to a 10 tick stop. 10 tick stop to start. Okay. Came right down to our price and turned around right there. And we're 2 ticks away from the first profit target. And then we're filled. Okay. Nice. And so now what I'll do is I'll move my stop just like I do on the I'll move it right down, to just one tick underneath the swing low there. So I'll move it down to 1502.10. So that's a quick, easy trade there. So, as I said, we trade gold, we trade crude oil, and we trade the ES in the room. We trade the ES because a lot of traders like trading the ES. We trade gold and crude because there's a little more volatility, and the swings are a whole lot higher. That was just a quick, that was equal to 1 point on the ES, and we made it pretty quickly. And sometimes you can sit in an ES trade for a long time before you get filled for that 1 point. So that's the reason why we trade those. We have our stops, so we protect ourselves, from volatility and stuff like that, or from too big a move against us. And we've done really quite well with it. Now we're finally moving again up towards our profit target. For just 10 ticks, it's taken a little while. I mean, it's not a long time, but it's taken a little while to get there. The trading room will be open again tomorrow. There, we're filled. All right. So we got 5 and 10 on that. The trading room will be open at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. 9 o'clock, 9 to 2:30 usually. We're setting up for another trade now on the crude market. This is another one of those 5 and 10 tick trades. Okay. There, we got filled already, and we're 5 and 10, and we got, look at that, we got filled already on our first profit target. I'm going to move my stop up for the second profit target. Look at that, in place, and it came right back down. But boy, that was quick, wasn't it? That was a quick one, and we're out on the second profit target. So minus 1 tick on that. It came right down to our price and turned around. So that was a real quick trade on that one, everyone. And we'll see. It looks like it's going down some more right now. So, quick fill, and that was one of the smaller trades, the 5 and 10 tick ones. Well, this is kind of a little bit different here. You can see we've got a setup on gold, and we've got a setup on the oil too. Both have just come in. Well, not just come in, but they've been in for a while. And that's one of the benefits of this. It's completely objective, traders. And there we got filled. No, we didn't get filled. Jeez, what am I thought I got filled already, but I'm getting down closer. This 2 at once is a new thing for me, a new phenomenon for me. I hope I did everything right here. But we have our entries placed quite a bit ahead of time. That we can do this. That we can trade. If you have the margin, you can trade multiple markets at the same time. There we're filled on oil already. That's great. Okay, and we're getting a little bit of move in our direction. That's pretty awesome. And so we're looking for a short on both of them. These are 5-minute charts that we have on both markets. And yep, that's what. Yeah, look at this. I did make a mistake. This should be at down there. Should be at 1520. And I put it at 1501.20. Jeez, Mariel's going to kill me on this one. There, yeah, that's where it belongs. 1520 on this trade. So, okay, that was a little nerve-wracking for a minute there. Yeah, I'm at the right price there now. 1520 was what we called in the room, and these are the trades that we call in the room that we show here. There are trades all day long on. This is applicable to all markets. It's applicable to all time frames. There was a chat with the guy in the room who's trading silver today, on a short time frame. There was also something in the room about somebody trading the euro this morning. This oil trade's going against us a little bit, and we're pretty much flat on the gold trade right now. But it works on all markets. Once you learn the system, once you learn the methodology, you should really try to own it and really try to trade the markets that that you're most comfortable with. If you want to trade the ES, that's fine. If you want to trade anything, it's really fine. Maybe you're in another part of the world, where it's not conducive for you to be up this time. It might be your nighttime, and you may want to get into something that's a little different. We've got something happening here. I'm going to try to get out of this one. Mary just told us that we should get out of this trade, and there I got out at break even on this one. The traders that are in the room, we're going to talk about this. We do a recap at 4:30 2:30 Eastern time every afternoon of the trades we take in the room. So I can get rid of that gold trade now, and we're one tick away on crude oil. And let's see if this is going to fill. We're just like one tick away, and I'd like to get this one to this would be plus 10. It's nice to doing these plus 10 trades and that plus 5, isn't it, everyone? But there was a reason why we had to cancel that oil trade. We actually got a signal in the opposite direction, and it was so close. We just thought it was wise to get out of it. The support level was so close that we just thought it was really wise to get out of it. And there we got filled on our first one on gold. We got plus 10 on gold right now. And I'll move my stop down, based on where my swing high was 1507, so I'll move my stop down to 1580. You all see that pretty clearly? That's the way we do it in the room. Like I said, there are a number of different ways, a number of strategies you can use for the exit. We're getting close on getting filled on the second one. We're filled. Okay, we're out with plus 20. Plus 10 and plus 20. I think that's going to be my last trade today. I think it might be, we'll see if we get anything else. We're already at 2 o'clock, after 2. So let's, not a bad day. No losers today, which is kind of nice. We'll publish a recap table, and we'll get this published to the blog a little later on today, too. It'll be in the blog. It'll be a YouTube video. And hey, traders, thanks a lot for your attention today. Just one last thing before I go. I just wanted to show you that the gold did move up. And it did come back down, but it did move up first initially. And so it was good that we got out of that gold trade. You can see we got up. We probably got like 30 points, 30 on the gold. To the good side. We were in way back here. Sorry you can't see it that well on the video, but we were in at like at what would we say, 11:10? Yeah, right in there. So we got in, and it got up to like almost 11:40. So the entry would have been like at 11:07 long. So we would have got about 30 points on that. And so I can move that now, and I just wanted to show you. I'll snap a line here. That's the low that we got back down to. So we got like 33 points is what the for the more aggressive traders would have gotten, potentially could have gotten on the gold trade. So that's it for today, everyone. I hope you had a good day in the room, or you enjoy watching these videos. If you have any questions at all, give us a call. It's a great system, and we'd love to have you come and join us. The trading room will be open again, like I said, tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thanks, everyone. Have a great night.